Hello again. It's time for Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. And today we're looking at phrasal verbs. The phrasal verbs put on and take off. For example, you put on your shoes, you put your shoes on. You take off your shoes, you can take your shoes off. I'm putting on my jacket. I'm putting on my jacket. I'm putting on my hat. You can put on a scarf. However, this is hot and sunny Portugal, so I'm taking off my scarf. I take off my hat and I'm taking off my jacket. Much better. English grammar, phrasal verbs, easy peasy. Have a good day. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.